Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And keyboard and touchpad is not working. So guys, first step, click to restart your system. Click to restart and then check it. Then second method, check the performance of the reinstall the keyboard and mouse driver. So click to start, type device manager, then click on device manager. After that, first one, this is keyboard, extract, select PS22 keyboard, uninstall and click to uninstall it. No. And then right click, uninstall it. Then extract human interface device. This is touchpad. Right click to uninstall. Okay. Then single click to action and then click to hardware changes. Okay. So it will come again and keyboard also come again. Again click to scan hardware changes. Okay. And then close it. Next step, install the HP driver, open any browser and then Google search box to type HP laptop driver download. After that, first link support.hp.com and right click to open new tab, go to this tab. After that, select the laptop, scroll down, then you can enter the model number and serial number. Okay, so if you don't know the serial number, so you can type the model number, like type like that. Okay, then select this laptop, scroll down, select the operating system. Okay, click on submit, scroll down, scroll down, extract keyboard mouse input devices. You can see touchpad driver, fingerprint. So guys, first touchpad, click to download. After that it will start the downloading, you can see, and just single click to open and then click to next. I accept, next, next. Okay, so this is installing. Scroll down, click to download more option, then also slow down, and then again extract keyboard and mouse, then fingerprint sensor, click to download. Also it will start downloading, then single click to open this, then next. I accept, next, next. Okay, then again slow down. One more, need to install the driver, chipset driver. So find out the chipset driver, chipset, extract chipset. So this is a chipset driver and click to download. After that it will start same, just click to open it, then next. I accept, next, next. Now this is started installations, then it is completed, need to restart and then check. Okay, thank you.